My name is Nando, and I run this little project called Moon and Stars, and this is it. This is our little storefront. We have a fryer, we have a grill, and over here this is the toppings that we make for the arepas. We make some beans. We switch different beans. This is a brisket beef that we make, and this is the beans. Let me show you the beans. And I also make this ogao, which is like a tomato scallion sauce. I use onions for this one, but it's mostly it's a sauce that we always have in our table, and it's it's something that we use for like having on the table. So we came here to Vermont 3 years ago. I came to visit a friend here in Montpelier, and I saw how farmers were growing corn for the dairy industry, and my mind just started working. And I've always wanted to grow corn to make arepas because that's my favorite food, and so I decided to move to Vermont and start growing my own corn. So I grow corn at 2 different farms, maybe 3 this year, and we make arepas and we make empanadas. It's a way to give back to the community, and I'm really interested in different strains of corn being grown here in Vermont, and bring back all that diversity of corn to the Vermont landscape. I'm also interested in food systems and how to create a system that brings that quality of life to farmers and to people in the food industry, and create a transparent, ethical system that uses regenerative practices to grow all this corn. That's what I'm interested in. An egg, arepa. I'm going to throw the arepa there. Unlike the ogao, oh sorry. Oh, she wanna do this. I'm a little rusty. That's what I'm working on.
I'm Angela Betancourt. I work for Feeding Chittenden. I am the volunteer and special events coordinator here. We are the largest food shelf in Vermont. We serve about 60 to 100 people a day. Here at Feeding Chittenden, we serve the Chittenden County through our various programs. We have a breakfast program that provides breakfast every morning from 6:30 to 8:30. Then we are open for grocery distribution from 10 to 3 every day, Monday through Friday. And these efforts are just to support our community in accessing food that they need when they are in need. We are also piloting a home delivery program where we will put our inventory online, and then people can choose through an online form and get food delivered to their door. So these are just certain ways that we are improving our services and staying on trend with what is needed for our community.